Hi everyone, welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today, I'll guide you through how to write a Medicaid Transportation Services request letter. This letter is essential when you need assistance with transportation for medical appointments through Medicaid. You should begin your letter by including your personal details, such as your full name, address, phone number, email, and the date of writing. Next, address the letter to the appropriate Medicaid office, specifying the department or recipient's name along with their official address. Ensure you include a clear subject line stating your purpose, request for Medicaid transportation services, to help the recipient quickly understand the intent of your letter. Start the letter with a polite salutation, addressing the recipient by name if known. After that, write, "I am writing to formally request Medicaid transportation services to assist with my medical appointments. Due to, briefly explain your medical condition or mobility limitations, I am unable to arrange my own transportation and require assistance to reach my scheduled treatments at medical facility name. My next appointment is on date and I would appreciate confirmation of available transport options. Please let me know the necessary steps to complete this request and any additional documentation required. I appreciate your time and assistance in this matter and look forward to your response. You may reach me at your phone number or your email address for any further details. Sincerely, your name." Here's our sample Medicaid Transportation Services request letter. You'll notice how it clearly states your need for transportation assistance, provides relevant details about your medical appointments, and maintains a professional tone throughout. By following this format step by step, you can create a clear and effective request letter that ensures your transportation needs are addressed. This approach helps the recipient process your request efficiently and provide a prompt response. And with that, I conclude today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on drafting professional documents.